Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy, and today's recipe vlog is quesadilla, another Mexican inspired food. And this time the quesadilla, I fill it with shredded barbecued beef or shredded beef with barbecue sauce, and my oldest love it so much, especially with tons of cheese and meat. And it's so easy to make. I'm gonna show you how we make the shredded beef from scratch. So yeah, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So for the ingredients, I may be forgetting mentioning something, so check out the description. But this is 2 teaspoons of onion powder and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, half teaspoon of mustard powder, and then 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of smoky seasoning, that's from seasoning rubs from Cattle Boys, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, half teaspoon of cayenne powder, and 3 teaspoons of paprika powder. I think I mentioned also cayenne, black pepper, onion, mustard, brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, the smoky rub, mustard, Dijon mustard, and salt. We're just gonna mix them all. They completely combine, and then we're gonna add either beef broth or chicken broth. Beef broth would be perfect, but all I got here are chicken broth. I have cans and cans of chicken broth, so we're gonna use chicken broth. Before we pour in the broth, mix in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, again until completely combined, and then we're gonna pour in the broth. Now we're just gonna stir this, and then we're gonna brown our meat, and then mix the meat with this into our crock pot or slow cooker. So this is about 6 pounds meat, and we're just gonna give our seasoning, rubbing it a little to the meat, both sides before we brown it. So just like so, just to give a little flavoring when we brown it. Now we're gonna brown our meat slices. Just simply brown it a little, and then we're gonna place them into our crock pot. Sizzling meat. So just brown both sides and this area too. Pour 1/4 cup of beef broth or chicken broth into your crock pot, and then a couple spoons of your spices that you prepared earlier, and just mix it. Now we're gonna place our brown meat into the crock pot. Pour the rest of the chicken broth, so the total is about 2/4 cup of chicken broth, and then we're gonna top the beef with the leftover of the seasoning. Now we're gonna slow cook it for 6 to 8 hours. Now the beef is done, we're just gonna shred it. lay a tortilla on your quesadilla maker, and then we're gonna top it with our cooled beef. You lay the meat, you can top with whatever sauce you want. I top them with barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna sprinkle with grated cheese. And then we're gonna top it with another piece of tortilla. If you wanna crunch your tortilla, you can spray it with cooking oil, or you can brush it with butter and just close the lid. Now it's cooked. Just cut it with pizza cutter and ready to serve.